Hi guys, follow me on Instagram to never ever miss any of my crazy updates. Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. Guess who's back? Back again. Yes, it's the Audi A4 which is going to be relaunched in India really soon. It has been launched by the time this video goes up. This is the A4 with a 2-liter engine. It's a 40 TFSI. Unfortunately, there's not much time now because the light is going. The car just came. And you know what? There's an interesting and even more interesting and even more interesting car standing at home, which is kind of the rival to this car, but not really because the trim or the engine is very different. However, we'll talk about that tomorrow. Right now, I'm going to do a quick photo shoot with the A4. I love the interiors already. Take proper selfie. Other hand, one hand down. Flip the hand. Keep the phone in your pocket. Phone in the pocket.
Huh?
Phone pocket में रखो.
Selfie किसे लो फिर?
Selfie मत लो.
Now?
Smile. बाल पीछे. Actually, remove the glass. Remove the glass.
I'm done. नहीं काफी है. What are you doing? What are you doing?
So the light is completely gone, which means that I can't really shoot, but I have some night shots to do, but the light is in between. So we have come to a place here to eat and Nuren has joined me. Say hello.
Hello.
And I told her, let's just meet in the car, sit and discuss about this Audi. And she's like, नहीं, मैं तो खाना खाऊंगी, मुझे तो भूख लगी, मैं तो खाना ही है पूरे time.
Did I say that? Liar. You were hungry, not me.
How will I be hungry?
How will you be hungry means don't you have a stomach? भूख नहीं लगती क्या?
So we'll finish this, then I'll do some night shots, which you will see the acceleration of this car makes a lot of noise when you wheel spin it with traction control off, of course, and then we'll join tomorrow.
मुझे एयरप्लेन मोड पे नहीं रखे तो अजीब बेचैनी हो रही है. I'll also get this airplane mode का OCD.
Good morning guys, it's a nice fresh bright morning. It's 7:30 AM yet it seems so dull right now, very foggy, smoggy, whatever you want to call it. Going in the Audi right away because I have to finish the full vlog of this car. Not very excited because it's kind of soft, and of course the C63 is the exciting part because once I finish this I'm going to get back to driving the C63, but today it's all about the 4 rings, so let's start driving right away. So finally finished the driving vlog of the A4 and I'll tell you what, I'm super impressed by the ride quality. It's so smooth, it's so smooth. The more I say it, the less it is. What the am I talking? Let me tell you something, the Audi A4 is a hugely impressive car. If it comes with a diesel engine, now trust me, the segment will go uber-khabar. That doesn't even make sense, but yeah, it is so good. The ride comfort on this car is just another level. The brakes are on another level. I mean, the pedal feel, the progressiveness is so good, and obviously it's very tech loaded as well, but unfortunately the driving feel is not there, which is there in the 3 Series and the XE. However, now the good thing is I finished part of the shooting, which means now I'll head to do the walk around and all those things. Kal pictures ले लेते. So काफी chill day चल रहा है because weather भी chill है, winter season है, मजा आ रहा है. And most important thing which I need to tell you guys is that Audi will surely price it very aggressively. अब मैं ऐसे बोल तो रहा हूँ, लेकिन लॉन्च हो चुका है, प्राइस मुझे पता नहीं है बिकॉज ये वीडियो काफ़ी लेट आया, तो यहाँ पे कहीं तो प्राइस लिखी होगी. हाँ, तो बताओ एग्रेसिव है या नहीं एग्रेसिव है. Alright guys, listen to this. Absolute wheel spin monster, and the way this car performs is stellar to say the least. Because the engine performance is very good. We've obviously seen this engine in the Skoda Superb, in the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace, and you know, I've praised it endlessly. Only thing not worth praising here is the fact that there's no launch control. At least I could not find one. And this gearbox, which unfortunately, I mean, fortunately it is a dual clutch unit. Unfortunately, it's not just fast with shifts, kind of is slow with downshifts as well. Although, and another thing, it doesn't get manual control of things. It doesn't give you manual control on the gearbox either. Although you've got paddle shifters, you've got Triptronic function, you've got all that. But somehow BMW and Mercedes-Benz, who offer torque converter gearboxes as well, they are faster than a dual clutch unit. Don't call it S-tronic. Okay, S means slow-tronic probably. But forget the gearbox for a moment. You realize the ride comfort on this car is just another level altogether. Okay, I'm going to change this thing right away. This is the mode of the instrument cluster. Yeah, now you can see I have changed the instrument cluster mode. This is also very rad and different. The graphics are very cool here as well. So yes, Audi's done a fantastic job in terms of comfort level on this car. Although I must admit the steering doesn't have the dynamic feel of its rival, specifically the C-Class, which is third in my list in terms of handling characteristics. The BMW 3 Series, which is second, and the first is, of course, is good to be bad, the Jaguar XE. So overall, the A4 is very impressive a car, but this engine, ride comfort, and of course the tech on offer really stand out in this vehicle, and the refinement levels sound so good.
It's very comfortable. I like it. इसकी braking बहुत अच्छी है. It's like very nice. When you apply the brake, feel नहीं होता है कि you know what speed you are, and then you know there's no jerk, and it's very, like you said, progressive. That's it. हो गया. I am done. Hello. Okay, अब feel हो रहा है. You wanted this to come. You wanted the seatbelt to get tension. अब feel हो रहा है. अब feel हो रहा है. ठीक है? हो रहा है. But unless you drive like a jerk, feel नहीं होता. ठीक है? What? You want to randomly shoot stuff or adding chunks to it?
तुम्हें कैसी लगी गाड़ी?
वही तो बता ना. It's good. अच्छी है. क्या हुआ? Liar. I knew it.
Good news! Almost everything has been shot. थोड़ा बहुत बाकी है, but almost everything is done. Not done with the same finesse I usually do because I spend a lot more time with the car to get to know the nitty gritties. But A4 के साथ unfortunately वो time नहीं मिला because it's come for a short duration. I think because the launch is happening day after tomorrow. Still, almost everything is done. Now I have to do a live. Now I'm confused whether I should get the C63 on the live because वो already आ चुकी है. A4 को नहीं ला सकता because उसका embargo है, or get the Thar or the Verna or some other car which I was lying. The thing is headlight washer use किया ना तो almost पूरी ज़मीन गीली हो गई है. You can see that, and the car is also wet. The headlight washer actually sprays more water around the car, so it's like actually cleaning your car more than anything else. चलो now quickly let me rush. I'm also feeling hungry. सुबह को actually I ate fruits and came. बनाना खाया मैंने बहुत दिन बाद. Feel good, and I also had a boiled egg, so I feel energetic. My muscles seem to be erupting already. खाने से erupt नहीं होते, muscle के लिए workout भी लगता है बेटा. Now I know the reason why almost every car brand is removing headlight washers from their car because ये बाहर तो आ गया लेकिन अंदर नहीं गया. इसको अभी अंदर मुझे खुद डालना पड़ेगा. एंड कल हुआ था एक साइड तो मुझे लगा प्रॉब्लम होगी मे बी one off, but it is happening all the time. This is an issue with headlight washers in cars. You have to actually खुद से अंदर डालना पड़ता है. वो that's kind of weird actually. Now that everything of the A4 has been done, it's finally time to get into the C63, have a quick spin, recharge yourself, get energized and get to the YouTube live, and then probably we'll get back to the A4 because it's an A4, it's more practical to drive. In fact, here's the funny thing, you can drive the A4 faster than the C63. How does that even make sense? Well, the C63 might be very fast, but our roads are so bad that with the A4's great suspension, you can still go fast without having to slow down. But in the C63, you have to slow down, unfortunately, because the low profile tires are so low, it's so low that you're so scared you don't want to puncture or damage the rims at all. Puncture the tires, damage the rims, whatever. Both the cars are parked side by side and both of them are like almost the same in length, which might sound funny because one is a coupe, but obviously the coupe also has the same wheelbase as the regular C-Class or the C63 sedan. That's the reason why you can see that both are the same size in spite of having two less doors.
Take it in my phone.
What's the issue with taking pictures in this camera?
You never give me pictures at time at all. It's like पता नहीं.
I am not your Dabu Ratnani that you know every
so
time.
So why do you want to take pictures if you never give it to me?
You only told me you want to take pictures. For which you made me wait 1 hour. I was waiting below my building and then you come 1 hour later.
Friends who will take a picture 2 साल पहले और 2 साल के बाद वो फोटो दोगे जब तक
because I tell you want to know.
मतलब कोविड से पहले का फोटो लोगे और दोगे 3-4 साल के बाद. So please take it in my phone.
Okay, I'll tell you what is the story actually. She's upset that I don't give her the pictures. The problem is now, when she poses for a picture now, 1500 times she will move her hair. Okay, now I have to do multiple shots. अब multiple shots इतने सारे हो जाते हैं, इतने GB हो जाते हैं, अब इसको sort कौन करेगा? Now she doesn't sort because when I send her the pictures on G Drive, because she's like,
you don't even let me check the pictures on the camera.
Battery नहीं चूस सकते. My camera does not have a mild hybrid system.
And you know what? For you to take a perfect pictures, it takes 15 clicks, which shows.
You know why? Because she's continuously moving her hair all. You know ना girls how they are. You know एक बार क्या हुआ? Picture के लिए ready होगी बीच में all of a sudden I'm like लिपस्टिक लगा रही है, कॉम्पैक्ट लगा रही है, आई लाइनर लगा रही है, ठीक है, हेयर स्ट्रेटनिंग कर रही है. मैं ये क्या बकचोदी है?
हेयर स्ट्रेटनिंग भी कुछ भी.
She was hiding and putting lipstick, and the lipstick is falling down. The lipstick fell down because she was trying to hide and put it. See, I told you now she uses lipstick on the shoot all the time, applying lipstick and all that stuff. I tell you, girls will be girls only. You want me to pick this up?
It's not mine, कुछ भी.
It's not mine, liar. One second. Why is this bag in your hand?
This is my guest ka
Why
bag.
would you remove it to put lipstick?
No, I was removing it because I was about to go and say कुछ भी बकवास हटो.
Tell me something. सच में लिपस्टिक थी वो?
हाँ.
वेस्ट होगी?
हाँ.
गिर गई?
हाँ.
कितनी महंगी थी?
क्या?
कितने की थी वो?
कौन सी?
जो लिपस्टिक गिरे आपने?
किसकी?
रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर रहा हूँ यार कुछ भी. You think I'm recording you?
ये एंगल में ना, can you tell me if I don't look like a jerk and take a better picture?
But what if you look like a jerk in every angle?
Oh my god!
Say hi to the camera.
Shit!
और लिपस्टिक वाला पार्ट आ गया already.
नहीं,
You said it
नहीं, मेरी है ही नहीं.
Initially you said it.
Are you for real?
मोटे लग रहे हो उसमें.
नहीं.
She actually fell for it. She did apply lipstick. हमेशा लिपस्टिक लेके घूमती रहती है. Say hello to the camera.
This was so least expected. मतलब, oh my god, when you think you're smart and then enough shit.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That's a like button and also subscribe to the channel. और finally पोल खोल हो चुका है कि हर लड़की इतना मेकअप अप्लाई करती है, इतना मेकअप अप्लाई करती है, फोटोग्राफर्स की लग जाती है. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That's a like button and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh, you're gonna edit that. Shit, I least expected that. I swear, least. I was thinking कि you're gonna voice record it. And then फिर बाद में ऊपर टैप कर दोगे. I'm like, there are two girls क्या करेंगी छुप छुप के? I'm so mentally confused. एक सेकेंड लगता है that you are gonna audio record. एक सेकेंड you talk. Dude, I've suffered more losses than this. Okay. मेरा phone गिर गया. I felt like okay, lipstick थोड़ा सा missing है. I'll apply. And the moment I went inside, you came running behind me with your camera. And मैं घबरा गई. मेरे हाथ से गिर गया. What else do you expect?
So you are agreeing आपकी लिपस्टिक और आपकी सोच एक ही जगह पहुंच गए थे. I mean दोनों ही गिरे हुए थे.
You talk like this in your recording anything. Okay, this is not the normal you. कहीं मेरे फोन में तो खुद रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा. Can you switch on the AC? This is the darker shade only. ये वाला तो मैंने घर में अप्लाई किया था. जो गिरा वो अच्छा था कलर. It's not even a lipstick. It's a crayon lipstick.
It's not a lipstick. It's a crayon lipstick. What the f***? It's not a car, but it is a sedan car.